Let's have a look at Robinson 2014, question 5, ordinary level question on ratios, and look at the figure for closing stock. So if we look at our question up here, we don't have our closing stock figure, but what we do have is we've got our cost of sales figure, we've got our purchases, and we've got our opening stock. So to calculate your closing stock, you're going to take your opening stock, you're going to add your purchases. It's going to give us 358, and then you're going to take away your cost of sales from that, and that's going to give you your gross profit, or it's going to give you your closing stock. So the figures that we need for here, we need our opening stock figure of 98,000. You're going to need your purchase figure of 260,000, and then you're going to need your cost of sales figure of 336,000. So we know it's your opening stock, which is 98,000. Remember, we're going to put this in brackets. So 98,000 plus your purchase of 260,000. And then we're going to take away our cost of sales, which is 336,000. So we know from the question that when we add 98,000 and 260,000, we're going to get 358,000. And from that, then you're going to take your 336,000. So that's going to give your closing stock then 358,000 minus 306. Your closing stock figure now is going to be 22,000. Now, if you want, you can substitute that 22,000 in here and see if you get 336,000. So 358,000 minus 22,000 is going to give you 336,000, so you know that's correct. And that's your first adjustment for Robinson 2014 ordinary level ratio question.